are the authorized training partner of EC Council, National Skill Development Corporation, CompTIA, as we can see from here. We run various programs, various certification programs rather, like cybersecurity, data science, certified web developer program, digital marketing, certified recruitment professional, etc. So we are affiliated to international certification authorities like EC Council, GoDaddy, Future Skills Prime, Microsoft, Cloud Credential Council, then EC Council, CompTIA, so definitely they are there. We are the sister concern of 2Coms Consultancy. Now, I'll tell you about 2Coms. 2Coms is a 28 years old organization in recruitment. We have clients in various sectors like IT, banking and finance, BPO, and so on. In IT sector, we have clients like TCS, Concentric, Accenture, Wipro, Cognizant, Tech Mahindra, and many more are there. So in Eastern India, 2Coms you can say is the #1 recruitment and staffing company. We have already placed over 1,30,000 plus candidates. We are serving 13 plus industries. We have 200 plus active clients. We already have won 6 national awards. So let's move on and let's begin the session on web development. So first we need to understand why web development is required, why you will do this course, why this course is required. So web developer is the most in-demand job title and top paying job in the tech world today. So according to US Bureau of Labor, the job market for web developer is expected to grow by 15% by 2026. As we all know, today almost every company is shifting to automation. So there's a requirement of a knowledgeable and a good web designer or developer in every sector, be it IT or any other sector. And I hope you all will agree to that. Now let's understand the industry trend. The biggest advantage, I'll tell you, of being a good web developer is that you can not only be placed in a reputed organization, you can also work as a freelancer. You can work as a developer, like a full-time developer, or you can work, as a part-time developer. Okay. So let us see the career prospects. What are the career prospects after doing this program? So as we all know, it's obviously in huge demand right now. So the starting salary, if for a fresher, I'll say starting salary will be ranging in between 15K to 25K. And if you are if you are an experienced candidate, then it will be more than 30K. It will be earning more than 30K. Now, for the candidates, depending on their communication skill, their technical background, even if the candidate is from a non-technical background but having a good communication skill and a good technical knowledge, that candidate can be getting approximately up to around 30K a month. Okay. So definitely freelancing is another option, as I already said. If you are a freelancer, on an average, you can get 10 to 15K by working only 3 to 4 hours daily. Now, isn't that great? Like, you don't need to work the whole day. If you have some other prior commitments, you can work only 3 to 4 hours a day and you can earn 10 to 15K a month. Now let's look at the placement options we have. The designations that you can apply for, you can get after completion of the course are web developer, PHP, Python, MySQL developer, front-end developer, developer in WordPress and HTML, senior web developer as a WordPress or AngularJS, web application developer, back-end web developer. Now, if you do a bit of research in the job portals like LinkedIn, Naukri, or Indeed, or Monster maybe, you'll be able to see that the Key skills that the companies require are like front-end coding, XML. You need to be well acquainted with CSS, Angular, .NET, JavaScript, HTML, MySQL, PHP, PSD graphic designing, user interface, then designing Illustrator, jQuery coding, project management, etc. See from here, I have taken just a screenshot from one of the Naukri.com post the requirement of a job. So like that, definitely you can also do this research by yourself while applying after this course. Okay, so this is in LinkedIn. Now, these are the job roles for which you can apply. You need to know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and other relevant web design coding languages. You can also be, you need to create the website, but only creating the website will not do. You need to also test the applications of the website, or you need to also work on the troubleshooting. You need to work with graphics and other design, like the styling of the website, the designing of the website. You need to, as I already told you, troubleshoot website problems. You need to maintain and update the website, monitor website traffic, stay up to date on the technology. Okay, so these are the kind of job roles that you might get after completion of this course. Now, from here, you can see the career progression, or you can say when you apply, when after as a fresher, if you're applying, you can apply as a software engineer, a software developer, or if you're an experienced candidate, then you can apply as a senior software engineer or developer or programmer. Then you can get a career progression, or you can be promoted to senior software engineer, then to senior .NET developer or programmer analyst, business analyst, IT consultant. Then you can be a software architect, software development manager. So these are this is the kind of career progression you can expect, the career path that you can expect after becoming a web developer. Now I'll come to the structure of this program. Let us understand the structure of this program. So this is a dual certification program where on successful completion of the course, you are going to receive one certification from GoDaddy, which is, it's a globally accepted certificate. And I hope, and I suppose that almost all of you have heard about GoDaddy. It's the certificate from GoDaddy is one of the most prominent certificates and most valued certificates when it comes to the reputed organizations. And another certificate you'll be getting from JobsAcademy, that is National Skill Development Corporation affiliated certificate. Okay, this is the kind of, you can see the certificate, the sample certificate that is being shown here. Okay, and not only that, after doing web development course, after becoming a web developer, there will always be a chance, a possibility, an opportunity to upgrade yourself to another level. Like you can do another course maybe to upgrade your skills, to gain more knowledge. Okay, now let's understand what are the key features of the course, or rather what are the key deliverables, or what you can get from this course. Firstly, the biggest advantage of this course is that you will be getting 120 plus hours of instructor-led training. Now, what do you mean by, instructor-led training? You will be getting live sessions, you'll be getting live classes, interactive classes rather. Suppose, like many people, many candidates, even till now, are not that much confident or comfortable in attending online classes. So for them, I'll tell you, there's no problem in attending online classes, because these will be live interactive sessions. Like if you come across any problem during the session, any kind of difficulty in understanding any particular topic, at that very moment you can ask the concerned industry expert, the trainer who will be training you. You can ask the trainer that you are not being able to understand this particular thing, and he'll be making you understand, he'll be explaining this thing to you once again. Okay, so that is the difference, is just offline training, you were just physically present there, but in online training, even if you're not physically present there, but the sessions are going to be interactive live sessions, so that you do not have any doubt. If you have any query, any doubt, you can definitely clear it from your trainer at that very moment. And the biggest, you can say, the biggest advantage of this program is that after every session, there'll be a self-assessment. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can definitely ask the trainer. You can take help from the trainer. After that, we will be having hands-on practice by live projects. Now the trainers who are going to train you, they are industry experts. They have been in this industry since more than last 15 years, so they know what exactly is going on in the industry, the requirement. So they are going to train you as per the industry requirement, so that you do not face any kind of difficulty, any kind of problem while attending the interview, while giving the interview. Okay, the next thing that you'll be getting is 60 plus hours of e-learning access, that is self-learning. That is, you'll be getting a student portal where you'll be getting the all the GoDaddy material, the study material, ebooks, PDF. There'll be recorded videos for your own study, for your self-study. We will also be providing you with with an exam voucher, which will be valid till a year. Okay, we will not only be helping you or training you. The biggest you can say advantage of this program is we will be providing you with lifetime placement assistance. By lifetime placement assistance, I'll mean, as I already told you, that Jobs Academy is a sister concern of 2com's consultancy. 2com's is our mother company. So 2com's is already in this recruitment business since so many years, right? So since we have clients, we have so many clients, we have so many tie-ups, as I already told you. So the placement part is taken care of by 2com's. Okay, after completion of the course, we are going to schedule interviews for you. You will be, we will be providing you with soft skill training. We will be assisting you in building a strong resume, and the trainers will be helping you in the technical part as well. Now, since this is a technical course, along with this, obviously, along with the theory part, you will be needing the practical sessions as well. Now, we will be creating a virtual environment for that. You will be getting virtual labs for your practical sessions. Okay. Now let's come and see the course modules. Okay, so these are the course modules. In total, we will be covering 15 modules. Okay, now let's understand the modules one by one. Firstly, HTML essentials. First, I'll start with a web page. Now, a web page has three main constituents: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now, what is HTML? Obviously, we all have heard about, till now we all have heard about HTML. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages or applications, web applications. It describes the structure of web pages using markup. It's a process. Markup is a process. Okay. Now, what is CSS? CSS is cascading style sheet. Now, it helps in styling and text formatting. It controls, how the HTML is displayed, how your web page will be styled or designed or displayed. The JavaScript makes the web page more dynamic. Okay. Next comes the scripting essentials. Now, what scripting essentials are? Scripting essentials are used for building apps and websites on Linux and Unix. It includes writing basic scripts, important syntax rules, etc. Next comes the media handling and handling online tools. Now, what these two topics mean? See, we create a web page or a website for targeting a particular section of the society, a particular target audience we have. Now, this media handling is to convey key messages to your key audiences. Okay. Next comes the networking and hosting concepts. Now, hosting is, it allocates space on web server for website to store its files. Like in a web page, you'll be seeing that there are, if you open a web page, there will be pictures, images, or maybe some documents will be there, or maybe some videos will be there. Now, where are they stored? They are stored using hosting. Okay. Now, suppose a web page. I am being able to access a web page. At the same time, the web page created by me will also be accessed, will also be, accessible by many others, by you also. That's where comes the need of networking. Okay. Next comes managing customer accounts. Then web application with Ajax. Now, Ajax is what? Ajax is asynchronous JavaScript and XML. It allows the web pages to be updated asynchronously by exchanging data with a server, with a web server rather, behind the scenes. That is, it's possible to update parts of a web page without reloading the whole web page, right? Then comes PHP. Now, that is another programming language, you can say. It is hypertext preprocessor. It is a scripting language which is used to develop static websites or dynamic web applications. Okay. After that comes the database foundation with MySQL. Now, this is very, very important because all we are working right now, we are working with data. Data has become so much important right now for all of us, for all of the companies. So, we need data scientists, we need data engineers. So now, database foundation, how the database, database, obviously, I hope you all know, it's the organized collection of data generally stored and accessed electronically from a computer system. Now, how these databases are managed? They are managed by using MySQL. Now, what MySQL is? SQL is the structured query language, you can say. So it is an open source relational database management system. Okay. Next we will be mastering WordPress. Now, what WordPress is? We will be having hands-on training on WordPress. Now, WordPress is a web publishing software. Okay, you can use to create, you can use WordPress to create a beautiful website or blog. It's the most flexible blogging and website content management system. So it's a kind of web development tool. Okay, a bit of cloud concepts will be there. Now, we all know cloud computing means storing and accessing data and programs, right, over the internet. So instead of your computer's hardware. So we will be having cloud architecture concepts. We will be having a project work. Obviously, there'll be an assignment and some assessment after the course, during the course. Then we will be covering a portion of digital marketing and website marketing as well. Now, as per the trend, that recruitment trend, the recruiters prefer a candidate with both the web developing skill and the digital marketing skills. That's the reason we have covered a portion of website marketing and digital marketing also, sales also here, so that you can be a well equipped web developer as well as a good, you will be good in digital marketing and sales as well. Now, this is all about the course modules. You will be getting hands-on training on WordPress, as I already said. Now, before ending the session, I would let's take a tour to our web page, so that if you want to search for, any course, you can do it by yourself. I hope my screen is visible. Now, this is the website of Jobs Academy, as you can see. This is the website of Jobs Academy, and from here you can get all the courses you want. You can select all courses, and from here you will be getting the number of courses right now we are running. Since I've been telling you about web development, so these are the modules that I was right now explaining you. These are the modules. Okay, if you want to see, dig deep into the modules, you'll be able to see these are the subtopics that we are going to cover in each module. Okay, and these two are the sample certificates. Okay, this will be the certificate of Jobs Academy. and this will be the certificate from GoDaddy. So this is the sample certificate. Okay. The other thing that I was telling you is that I was telling you about 2coms, right? About placement. Now, if you want to know more about placement, please visit our website of 2coms.com. If you visit 2coms.com, there will be a place. If you visit this website, there will be a place of, just give me a moment. Yeah, this one will be there. So if we go here in the job seeker section, a job seeker can submit their CV from here. From your candidates' testimonials, we will be able to see the candidates we have placed till now, the placements that we have done till now. Okay, and the candidates, the review of the candidates, we can read it from here if you want. You will be able to see where all we have placed our candidates. Okay, so if you want to know more, please load more. When you load more, you get more reviews of the candidates. So from here, you can get you can know more about our placement, and from here you can, from jobsacademy.co, you can know more about our courses. Now these are our courses. I showed you about the certified web developer.